So in a previous video, I installed this VTX 1300 headlight on my 2008 Honda Shadow Aero bobber chopper bike, and we couldn't quite get the angle dialed in. As in, I'm having trouble getting the headlight at the exact same angle the previous headlight was. Now, I'm pretty sure I got the bike in the exact same spot I did. If not exact same, pretty darn close. Now, the Aero headlight shown right about here, right in this area. And unfortunately, everything I've been able to do to the VTX headlight so far, it's still pointing up. So what I ended up doing to support the back of this thing is I had some galvanized L brackets, and I just basically made a piece that kind of stabilized the whole headlight. And where it currently sits, the angle, the scoop of the headlight, I think is like in the perfect spot. The problem is though, if you're looking at the bike on the right side, that one here is my vertical up and down adjustment, and it's tilted down as low as it can go. And as you can see, we're still too high. Option one is gonna be to replace this back with the factory Aero headlight. No, we're not doing that. Option two would be to remake these brackets just a tad bit longer, or maybe I might be able to notch them a little bit to give me just a hair more adjustability. I don't need a lot. And also, since we're relocating the turn signals, they're gonna be clamped here on the forks. This bracket's gonna go away, so it's gonna sit slightly closer to the ground. So we're gonna do that first before we play with the brackets, if that's the route we go. Third option is we get rid of these hard struts, say goodbye to these things, these lowering struts, and put some 10.5-inch shocks on there that'll raise the rear up about 1 inch. And honestly, that's not something I really want to do because I really like those hard struts. I think it complements the bobber seat very well, and honestly, now that I'm used to it, comfort-wise, it's really not as bad as it was before. Anyway, getting back to the headlight, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop this bracket off first, and then just see where we're at. Now, these are the stock bolts that held the factory headlight bracket on, which I'm still using the factory headlight bracket. These are the same stock bolts. I'm pretty sure before I got this bike, it spent some time outside, because, yeah, there's a little bit of surface rust here and there, but also, I mean, she's, what, 17 years old now? So some of that's gotta be expected. The 6mm Allen up top, 12mm bolt at the bottom. Come out super easy. Same thing on the other side. So that little turn signal bracket comes out. Set that to the side. We'll put our bolt back in here and tighten it at the bottom. Same thing on the other side. Find our hole, bolt her down. Gonna get back in here with our 12mm and our 6mm Allen. Go behind this comically long brake line. Get in there like so. Snug it down. Gonna make that oof noise or it doesn't work. Back to the other side one more time. Ding the new headlight. Needs polish anyway. The whole bike needs a real good deep cleaning. Now the question is, did that make a difference? Maybe, slightly. This actually isn't too bad because the Aero was sitting, it was like just under. Man, we're like, it's up just a hair. And gosh, that's frustrating. That is slightly higher than what the Aero bucket was. I'm almost tempted to let this ride. Yeah, honestly, that angle right there is perfect. I would hate to turn that headlight bucket down any further because that is one heck of a nice looking machine, not even gonna lie. That's definitely bright enough to get your attention. It is kind of shining into my eyeballs, but I notice even if I get super low, it's still the same thing. So I think we're gonna let it ride and just see how many people flash their brights at me. So as far as this goes, I'm gonna go with it's only a problem if it becomes a problem. Unless there's more adjustment I can play with here, but I'm pretty sure I'm like at the bare, it's done. Like this lens cannot be tilted down any further. So I just got back from riding around and I'm recording this with my cell phone, and we couldn't get the headlight aimed where I wanted it, but now that the headlights are done, it's actually a little lower than the scooch that up without dropping a bike. It's actually sitting lower than the Aero headlight, so now I need to adjust it up. So yeah, it's fine. Cool. Sometimes the universe does something nice for you. Today must have been one of them days.